Hello friend, this is Rupesh and I'm watching CBB Net video series on data structure, and this video is about AVL tree. So this is the full form: Adelson, Welsky and Landis. I could never remember this. It's good if you can remember this. So let's jump to the topic. Prerequisite is BS tree. So you should be knowing what is BS tree, not fully, just the concept is enough. Or if you don't know what is BS tree, you can get the link somewhere here and you will understand this. So I assume you know BS tree, and there is a problem with the basic binary search tree, so we need AVL tree, and I will explain you why and what is the problem. Okay, so first point is we have AVL tree is height balancing binary search tree or self-balancing binary search tree. This is what it is called: balancing binary search tree or self-balancing binary search. And what is balancing here? That's what we will learn in this video. So why BST was not enough? And we needed balancing binary search tree like AVL tree or red black tree and all. Let's understand that first and then we'll see the solution. So first you should know the problem, right? So first I will set the problem statement and then we'll look for the solution. So the problem statement is normal BST is having issues when data is already sorted or almost sorted, maybe skewed binary tree. Yeah, so I'll show you what is that problem. So let's suppose you have data like 1, 5 and 6. Now, if you will create a binary search tree, how it would look like? It would look something like this: 1. Why? Because we know in binary search tree, you put bigger element in the right hand side and smaller element in the left hand side. Okay, that much is clear. So everything actually came into the right hand side. Now let's perform a search. Let's suppose you want to search 5. How much time it will take you to search 5? It is like n. So the complexity would be straight n, which is not good because we are using binary search tree. So it should give log n, right? No, but it won't give because it was already sorted and then you created a tree which is like a right skewed binary tree or binary search tree. So this will not give a good performance because you have to search everywhere. And you know how to search 5 in this, right? Like you will come first here and you will see that, okay, 1 is less than 5. Then I know I have to look in the right hand side because 5 is greater than 1. So I'll look this, no, same condition, 2 is less than 5. I'll go here, same condition, I'll go here, same condition. And now I found it. So it is taking n. So this is the problem. This is called that your height is not balanced. You have imbalanced tree. So actually you have some tree which is looking like this, whereas we need some tree which would look like this. Then this is balanced, right? For making it little simple, I will assign the numbers also. So this is like 3, this is 4, and this is 5, 2 and 1. And it was like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now if you want to see any number in this, this is going to be very less than this. We can see that, right? Like if you are looking for 5 again, which is the worst case, it is in the leaf node, and then you will compare 3 with 5. No, you have to go in the right hand side. Then you will come here and in second attempt you will get it here. So now this is log n to the base 2. Don't forget this base 2 because this is really very important. People really don't understand this, why this is base 2, because in every comparison you are cutting your search space by half, by 2. So if you are comparing this 5 with 3, meaning either you will go left or right. So in our case we went right. So what you did, you just left the whole left space, meaning now you will never consider these things in your search space. That's why it is log n, and 2 because now you have cut down into half. So similarly, if you're comparing here and going here, similarly, you will cut down this also into half. That's why this is base 2. So these are some basic stuff. You can get these things in my previous videos. And now let's look at the solution part. So using AVL tree, we keep balancing when it becomes non-balanced while inserting the data. So you notice that it was already sorted and we inserted the data, and while we were inserting, we made this imbalanced. Okay, it became a right skewed binary tree. Now let's look at this, how we'll do this. So AVL tree takes height of a left and right subtree and find the difference using this formula. So height of left hand side minus height of right hand side. I'll tell you what it is, and it should be either -1, 0 or 1. If it is not this, then we have to balance it. And these are the 4 ways you can balance your tree. It is very simple. Don't get afraid that, okay, I have these many steps or I don't know what it would be. And yeah, this is called balancing factor, like how imbalanced your node is. So first I will explain these 4 things, then we'll move ahead. So you saw that, right? Our data was like 1, 2, and 3. So how did this became? It became like 1, 2, and 3. This is called right and right. So first I will take this right and right, not this one. So what you did, you went right and again right. So this is called right problem or disbalance. How you found that? Let's look at that. First you created first node. As I said, you have to do this L minus R. So left hand sides minus right hand sides height. So we don't have anything in the left hand side, so it is like 0. Right hand side also 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So the height of this node is 0. And as I said, we have to keep balanced. If these are the numbers, then we are good. Other than this is imbalanced. So this one is balanced for now. We don't have to worry about this. Let's put 2 now. We will put 2 here because 2 is greater than 1. It will come right hand side. And now let's look at this height of this one. So this is again going to be 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. But this time this guy, you have to now again compare the height of this one because this also changed, right? So now this time it will be 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. So height of this guy is -1 and this is 0, this is -1. So this node is also balanced and this node is also balanced. We don't have to worry about this. Now let's put 3. I will put 3 here, and now this is going to be 0 because nothing is there in the left hand side and right hand side. But let's go back to the parent of this one and we'll calculate this one. So this is like 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. This is still fine, but look at this one. Now this is not balanced. I'll tell you why. Now this is like 0 because left hand side there is nothing, and -2 because right hand side is like 1 and 2. So the height is in the right hand side is 2 because if you draw this line, so you will understand this, what is the height. So this is one height, this is another height. So left hand side we don't have anything, that's why it is 0, and right hand side we have 2 layers. Okay, so that's why 2 height, that's why it is like 0 minus 2 is equal to -2, and this is imbalanced. So this was the calculation part, how you will know that okay something is balanced or not balanced. And after each and every insertion you have to go back and see which one became imbalanced. And the moment you reach the root node, you will get to know that okay, either any of this was imbalanced or nothing was imbalanced. Clear, right? Yeah, so this was the problem statement, like what we will do to calculate if it is imbalanced. Now let's see how you will solve this. So the solution is very easy. Solution is this part. Rotation, we call them rotation. You have to rotate it in a such a way that it is balanced plus binary search tree. Binary search tree is holding a rule that, so this is a binary search tree, meaning if you have a number or node, its left hand side all the nodes should be less than this, and right hand side all the nodes should be greater than this. Okay, and this rule not only holds for root, it holds for each and every node in the tree. So we have to rotate it now, right? Let's rotate this. As I said, it is right and right, then it is like left rotation. So we know that okay, this is right and right problem, and why it is right and right? You will start from here. This got imbalanced, right? So from here you will take 3 nodes. First is this itself, this and this. Then it is like right and right. So right and right problem is solved by left rotation. We'll do that. So what do I mean by left? Meaning just rotate this left. So if you will rotate it, how it would look like? This is like 2, 1 and 3. So this guy came here in the left hand of this node. So this would look like this. And then if you will calculate the balancing factor of this node is 0. Again, this is 0. This is also 0. So this is balanced now. Can you see this? Now we have stopped making that left skewed kind of creation, right? Because we have broken it in between, and then if 4 will come, 4 will go here, and then 5 will go here. Now you see, till 4 was there. Let's suppose 5 is not there. I'll undo this. So this is 0. Balancing factor is 0 for this. This is -1. And this is again 0. But this guy is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. It is still balanced. No worries. The moment you put 5 here, this is 0. This is -1. This is now -2. This is imbalanced. Okay. And because of this one, so what we will do, we'll consider 3 nodes from here. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is like again right and right. So the solution would be correct, left rotation. You just have to bring this down and take this up. So this is how it would look like. We'll have 4 in the middle, 3 in the left, and 5 in the right. So we did not touch 5. We just moved this 3 in the left hand side of 4. What we did here. Okay. We moved this 1 in the left. Correct. So this became balanced. So that's what we did here. Now you calculate 0, 0, 0. And then here it is 1 minus 2. Because this is like one layer. This is another layer. So 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. So everything is still balanced. Okay. So this was about right rotation. I mean right problem, and then the solution was left. Now let's look at the left solution. I mean problem. So like if you have data like 3, 2, 1, it is very simple. You will insert 3 and calculate the height. It is 0, no problem. You will do this, and the balancing factor for this is 0. And for this it is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. It is still good because we want -1, 0 or 1. So if we are in this boundary, it is good. So these two nodes are still good. The moment you put 1 here, and now let's calculate the balancing factor. This is 0. This is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. And then it is 2. Okay? Because 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So this is imbalanced. So this is imbalanced. We will take this guy and consider 3 nodes. 1, 2, 3. So as this is left and left, we will do right rotation. As for right and right, we did left rotation. For left and left, we will do right rotation. So still this would look like this. Sorry, 2, 3, and 1. See, now it is balanced, right? This is 0, and this is 0. Because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. I'll take a very big data and I will show you that how it would look like when data is very big. For now, just I'm giving you the rotation mechanisms. So how much is done? We have seen right and right, and we have seen left and left. Let's look at left and right. So for left and right, you need data. So that can be 3, 1, and 2. Let's insert this data into our tree, which is like 3. So this is like 0, no problem. 1, it will be like here. This is like 0. This is 1, still no problem. 2, we'll insert, and then we'll check 3. 2 is less than 3. It will go into left hand side. 1 is less than 2. Then it will go right hand side. We'll insert here. So this is like left and right. And now let's look at this balancing factor. This is like 0, and this is like -1, and this guy is like 2, because these two nodes are in the left hand side of this 3, right? So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 for this. So this is imbalanced. So this is called left right problem. How we will solve this? This is really very important. Notice this, it is a trick here. What you have to do, you have to somehow make this kind of looking data into either this or this. For now, we'll make this data look like this one, not this one. I'll tell you why. You remember, it was very easy when your data was like left and left. You just did a right rotation and you're balanced, correct? Either right or left. Because if it was right and right, it was just like this right and right problem. What you did, you brought this one down. So if it is left and left, then the right rotation, and if it is right and right, then it is left rotation. So this is not left and left or right and right. So we have to make this look like either left left or right right. Now which one to choose is the question. How you will choose that? You will choose like this. You first moved left. So it has to be left and left. Now you have to convert this into left and left somehow. And you should not break the binary search tree rule. So how you will do that? You will do it like this. You will move this 2 here. Then 1 will automatically go to the left hand side. So it will start looking like this. Okay? Then it is left and left. Correct? Left and left. And to solve this, if it is left and left, right rotation. So 2, 1 and 3. Done. Simple, right? So actually you might have guessed it by now, like what different patterns you can have. So either you can have left and left problem, or you can have right and right problem, or you can have left or right, or you can have right and left. So far we have covered this one and this one. Let's look at this one. And this is going to be exactly similar to this one because it is so intuitive. So the data is like 1, 3 and 2. So if you'll put this data into your tree, this is 1, it is balanced. 3 will go here, it is still balanced, and this is like -1. Put 2. So 2 is greater than 1, it will go here. 2 is less than 3, it will go here. So now we have this looking disbalance because this is 0, this is now 1, still no problem. But this guy is like -2 now because left hand side there is nothing, and 0 minus 2 is -2. So we know that, okay, this is imbalanced. And how you will solve this? Pretty simple. You will apply the same rule. This is like right and left problem. So this problem started because of this right and right. So you will make it look like right and right. Previously, it was like this, left and right. So left and right. That's why you made it left and left. Now this is right and left. So first is right. So you will make it right and right. You just have to remember this much only. So how you will make this right and right? Simple. What you did, you have to just move this one here, because previously also you just moved this guy here, and now also you will just move this guy here. This is how it would look like. 2 and 3. So if you will move this 2 here, obviously 3 will go to the right hand side, right? Because 3 is greater than 2. And actually, if it is not a straight problem, meaning if it is not either right or left, then it is either right left or left right. Correct? Then if it is either of these two, then you have to perform two operations, rotations, to make it balanced. So if it is like this, you have to rotate right first, meaning you will bring this guy here and this guy here. Meaning if this is just one element and you want to rotate it, you want to rotate right, because it is right left problem. So this guy will go here and it will come here. So it will start looking like right and right. Similarly, if it is left and right, then you have to rotate first left, meaning this much portion only you will rotate. So you will make it look like this and this. Then you can bring this down and it would be like this. Okay. So it is like so intuitive. You will not forget this once you will see this logical reasoning behind this. So now as we have done our movement to make it look like either left or right, we just have to see what is this problem. This is right. So we have to rotate it left, meaning 2, 2, 3 and 1. And this is totally balanced. Now let's look at the biggest data set. So that is like maybe 50 and something like this. So let's start creating the tree. So 5, 0, it's good. 30 will go here. No problem, because we know that, okay, this is 0 and this is like 1 minus 0 is equal to still 1. So this is still balanced. 20 will go here and here. So 20. Now we know that, okay, this is LL, and we have learned so much about this. So we know that, okay, this is 0, this is like 1 and this is 2. So 2 meaning this is imbalanced. So we have to consider this guy and this guy. And we know that what we are supposed to do, it will get converted into like 30 and 50 and 20. because this is left left, so it will be right rotation will bring it down. So this is how it would look like. Okay, and this is like 0, this is 0, this is 0, so everything is balanced, no problem. Let's put this one now, 35, it will go right hand side. 35 is less than 50, it will go 35 here. It is still balanced. This is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, no problem. Let's put 40. 40 will go here, it will go here, and then it will go here. So this is 0, no problem. This is 1, forget about this one, and this is like 2 now. Okay, forget this. So this is 2. So this node is imbalanced. Okay, you know that how to solve this. This is this kind of issue. Okay, see this and this. So it is like left and right. So if it is left and right, what you will do? Yeah, it is L and R. Then first you have to do left rotation and then you have to do right rotation. And left rotation of this much only. You have to remember this is very special. These two are special cases, this one and this one. Okay, I mean you would have understood it by now. So if 40 will go here and 35 will come here, so this whole tree would start looking like this. We have 30 here and 20 will be here, no issues with this, and then 40 will come here and 35 will come here and 50 is here. See, now it is balanced. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is, this is also 0, and this guy is 1 minus 2 is like minus 1. So everything is balanced, correct? Now let's put this 32. 32 will go here, here, and then further here, 32. Let's see if anything is disbalanced now. This is really very important, okay? More important than this one. This is 0, no problem. This is 1. Okay, this is 1 because 1 minus 0 is 1. It is okay. This guy is like 2 minus 1 is 1, no problem. Let's go up because you have to traverse. You have to go like this till you reaches the root. Okay, this is the key. Now this guy is like 1 minus 3 because this is the level now. Okay, this is the height. So 1 minus 3, we have 1, 2 and 3 in the right hand side. So 1 minus 3 is like minus 2. So this node is now imbalanced. Now pay attention guys, how to sort this. Then this video is over for you because now we inserted this, but this guy is imbalanced. Okay, it is far away than this. Now what to do? As I told, which node becomes imbalanced, you have to start from there, and who made this guy imbalanced, you will go towards that. So you will go here and here. So till this location we have got our 3 nodes. This is 1, this is another 1, and this is another 1. So we will consider only these 3, and you know the pattern. This is right and left. So first you have to do right and then left rotation. So right of this much and then total left rotation. I'll show you how it would look like. So if you perform right on these two, because you have to do that only, it is very simple. Then this 35 will come here and obviously 40 will go here. And right hand side of this 40 would still be like that only. Don't worry about that. We are changing this path, right? So 35 went up and we have this 30 here, right? And in left hand side 20 is also there. So till now we have just done one rotation. We are left with another rotation. So now this is, what is this? Right and right. Yeah, cool. This is kind of this problem. Then how you will break this? You will make a left rotation, correct? So if it is right and right, you know left. If it is left and left, you know right. So this is right and right. So you will bring this down. So finally our tree would start looking like this. And then 30 will go here, 30 and 20. Now you calculate. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 0. We are good. So can you see this? Now you are not allowing this tree to grow either like this or like this. Okay. Now it is so dense. So the problem's solution was we wanted to minimize the height of the tree, because the more the height, you will go and search a lot. the lesser the height, you have more chances to get the answer faster. So the whole idea is you want to minimize the height. That's it. And are we having any number here? Like, yeah, 60. So let's put 60 now, and 60 will go here. Let's see, is there anything getting disbalanced? This is 0, this is -1, this is -2. Yeah, now this guy got disbalanced. So you know that, okay, this is right and right. So you have to do left rotation. So this guy would come here. So this tree would start looking like this now. And then 50, and then 40, and 60, and then this is 30, and this is 20. Correct? This is how it would look like, right? Because we did a left rotation. So this 40 came here. Okay, cool, right? So just to quickly recap, what we have learned is the rotations. So if it is left problem, then it is right rotation. If it is left right, then left and right rotation. How intuitive it is. See, if it is left and left, you know, just draw this diagram. I don't have any place to draw. Okay, first I'll erase this. See, if it is this and this, you know that you have to bring this one down. That's what it is. If it is left and right, this is left and right, then this guy itself is telling what rotation you have to do. If it is left and right, then you have to do left and right rotation. So left meaning first you will do on this. So this would become like this, and then right rotation. And similarly for this one and this one, this is R and L. So you know you have to do right and left rotation again, then right meaning on this much only. And then it would look like this. And then you will do left rotation. So by looking at the problem itself, you know the solution. It is so intuitive, right? So far we have talked about only insertion. What about deletion? We will see this deletion part in the next video, plus the program and the complexities of insertion, deletion and stuff. So till then, bye bye. Take care guys. Thanks for watching.